Hey, welcome to the Homemaking Exchange. In this video, we're making these easy, soft vanilla sugar cookies. First off, get a mixing bowl and add flour, cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and then whisk those together until they are well combined. Set your dry ingredients aside, and in a separate larger mixing bowl, you're going to add softened butter. Make sure you scrape the package down to get it all in there. And add granulated sugar. Then cream those together on medium speed for 3 minutes. I'm using a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, but if you prefer, you can also use an electric hand mixer. Once it's done, it will be lighter in color and fluffier. Use a rubber spatula to scrape down everything from the sides of your bowl so it can get mixed in evenly. Then add egg and vanilla extract and mix that again on medium speed for just about 30 seconds just to incorporate everything. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And then mix that briefly on low speed just until it's incorporated. Stop halfway through to scrape down the sides to get all the flour down and make sure it's all mixed in. And mix it one more time on low speed, just until you don't see any more patches of dry flour. And then go ahead and cut your mixer off. Don't overmix it or it can change the texture of your cookies. The dough is all done, so now I'm going to scrape down my paddle and remove my bowl from the stand. Then I like to use my rubber spatula to get the sides one more time, make sure everything's scraped down, and make sure there's no dry flour hanging out at the bottom of the bowl. The dough is very thick and sticky at this point, so I'm going to use this cookie scoop to scoop out my dough. You can also use 2 spoons and then just drop the dough onto a baking sheet that has been lined with parchment paper. I'm using 1 tablespoon of dough per cookie and making sure to place them at least 2 inches apart so that they won't run into each other too much when they're baking. Bake these in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 11 minutes until the edges of the cookies have set and are just barely starting to brown. You can see here that the cookies start off a little puffy and then they flatten out as they cool. You're going to let these rest on the cookie tray for at least 5 minutes before removing them. These are nice, soft, chewy cookies, very easy to make. You probably already have the ingredients. If you're interested in the recipe, you can find it in the description box. Thank you for watching.